Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 3695. Opportunity radar for 8th July based on 7th July 2026 post market report. All the three indices closed negative today. Since there is a Nifty expiry today and there is a 3 to 4 days consecutive bullish trend in the market, we can take it as a selling pressure or a profit booking as of today. But there are macro conditions developing in Hormuz region again from yesterday night. We have to wait and watch what is happening there. One positive thing for Indian market is India VIX is not panicking. It is settling in 11.65, which is a bullish environment for the market. Market mood has changed from bullish to neutral. Today, surprisingly, IT sector led the bullishness. There is also a TCS result on 9th July. If the result is positive, we can expect more upside in the IT sector since it has already fallen much. Most of the stocks have hit the 52-week low. You can expect a turnaround in quality stocks. Reality, since last week mid is in positive, so there is a small drag today. So today's winning sector being IT sector and consumer durables. Losers, metal and energy as usual. Reality, pharma and infra. Maybe due to profit booking, there is a small drag. Top gainers being Naukri based on strong earnings momentum, and RITES based on a big export order gain, and Swiggy based on consumer recovery, and Datative based on IT sector tailwind. There are also other notable gainers like Physics Wala, Natco Farm, Aegis Vopak. Yesterday itself we have kept it in our watch list. Sundaram Finance, Jubilee Food and Havels. Top losers is a mixed bag, being Trent the largest dragger based on the quarter on quarter margin. Kalyan, KJL, MV, HSCL, Sarigama, Data Patterns are all from different sectors showing a small sell-off. Unusual volume happened in these sectors, which we have already seen. As per options data, still Nifty's resistance is at 24,500 and support is at 24,000. Bank Nifty resistance has moved from 58,000 to 59,000. The narrow range has been widened, so we can expect a small bullish momentum in Bank Nifty in the coming days based on the market condition. Sensex is also in the same range of 2,000 to 2,500 points support and resistance range. Put call ratio is telling us that Nifty is in a balanced range. There is no bullishness or bearishness, it is in the mid zone, but Bank Nifty and Sensex show clear bearishness for the indices. As per OI build-up, in the long direction, we have Naukri, RITES, Latent View, Titan and Jubilee Food, as well as Natco Farm and Aegis Vopak. In the short direction, we have Trent, Kalyan, KJL, Cochin Shipyard, HSCL, Sarigama and Data Patterns. For tomorrow's watch list, we have shortlisted 6 stocks, RITES and Titan based on strong volume as well as fundamental. You can see a good year-on-year revenue and profit after tax growth in these two sectors. So keep this as a primary watch list. And then the secondary watch list being Naukri, Jubilee Food and Latent View have a markable year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter profit after tax and revenue growth. Trend is in a negative crash today. So this is only a technical bounce candidate, not a fundamental candidate. So keep it as a last stock for your watch list. Tomorrow's key levels, Nifty's resistance is at 24,525, 24,550. Today it resisted at 24,525 level. It has to break. Yesterday itself we have told that there is a 2 swing resistance Fibonacci based at the 24,500 to 600 level. It has to decisively cross to the market to retain its bullish stance. Support is at 24,275. Sensex resistance is at 78,550 and support is at 78,800 to 825 zone. The key takeaways from today's market has come to a neutral zone, but this may be due to a expiry day gap up fade, as well as there is a positive sign on VIX because there is a low fear and no panic in the market. We have to wait and watch how the levels are breaking, how the macro conditions are shaping, and the market is going to break the 24,600 level or not. IT led the rally today, and Realty is the biggest dragger today. As per volume, REITs and Naukri being the aggressive accumulation stocks, as well as Trent being a heavy institutional exit. For tomorrow's watch list, we have shortlisted these 5 for a bullish chance and Trent for a technical bounce. All the stocks shown here is for illustration only, not recommendation. Don't take any buy sell entries based on this. You have to keep this in watch list. You have to do your due diligence of fundamental check, and you have to use your own strategy to take any decision on these stocks. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel and keep your notification on. For the next 2 days, I am out of session, so as well as the pre-market and post-market, I will be posting in the community post section. Kindly follow there. Then from Friday evening onwards, I will be posting the videos as always. And from next week onwards, we are also going to add chart-based analysis of stocks and indices with this post-market report. So keep updated, keep subscribed, and be with us. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.